The Quran is the book of God and it is guidance for all Muslims. God loves all pupils, so He sent down the Quran, guidance for pupils. God said in the Quran, या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू कुतिब अलैकुमुस्सियाम कमा कुतिब अलल्लज़ीना मिन क़ब्लिकुम लअल्लकुम तत्तकून. God said, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, oh, you who have believed, kutiba alaykumus siyam, fasting is prescribed for you. Kama kutiba alallazina min qablikum, it was written for this before you. لَأَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, so that you may become righteous.